Today topic ratio. Today topic ratio. What is the meaning of a ratio? There means first you check by the definition. The ratio of two quantities A and B in the same units in the fraction A by B, and we write it as A is to B. A is to B. In the ratio A is to B, we call A is called the first term or antecedent. First term or antecedent. In the same way, B is called the second term or consequent. Now, how to comparing by the ratios? That means we say that A is to B is greater than C is to D. That implied by implied, A by B is greater than of C by D. Now, compound ratio. What is the meaning of a compound ratio? That means three ratios here I am taking. A is to B, C is to D, E is to F. Is how to write the compound ratio? That means A, C, E. A, C, E is to B, D, F. This is the formula for the compound ratio. Next, important points. In ratios concept only, different concept. This is duplicate ratio of A is to B. Duplicate ratio of A is to B. How to write there means A square is to B square. At the same time, subduplicate ratio of A is to B. Duplicate means square will come. Subduplicate there means square roots will come. Square root of A is to square root of B. Now, triplicate ratio of A is to B is A cube is to B cube. Duplicate means square will come. Triplicate means cubes will come. Now, subtriplicate ratio of A is to B is cubed root of A. Cubed root of A is to cubed root of B. If A by B equal to C by D, A by B equal to C by D, any two ratios will be equal, will be there. Then automatically A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. This rule is called by compendo and dividendo rule. Compendo and dividendo rule. Now, one by one I will explain it. Here, you observe, divide 672 rupees in the ratio 5:3. 5:3. How to do that means some amount will be there. That one divided into the two parts. Then how to divide it by the two categories? That means first you find out total parts. This total amount, how many parts you are taking there means 5 plus 3. That equal to 8 parts you are taken. Then in this 8 parts, 5 parts will be first one, 3 parts will be second one. So first part equal to total amount into, in this one first part how much? 5 out of 8. That equal to 8 1 jar. 8 how many times? 8 8 jar 64, 8 4 jar 32, 5 4 jar 20, 5 8 jar 40 plus 2, 420 rupees. Now, second part how to will come there means same 672 into second part 3 parts out of 8. 8 1 jar 8 84s. That equal to 3 4 jar 12, 3 8 jar 24 plus 1, 25 rupees. If you check both, if you add it, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 4 plus 2, 6. So, part of the parts that is 420 and 252 rupees. Same 3 persons, how to divide it? Always, first you find out total parts. How many? 35, 28, 20. That equal to 0 plus 8, 8 to 8 plus 5, 13. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3. 83 parts will be there. Don't write anything here. This will be parts. Now first part equal to, first part means A equal to total how much? 1162 into first person taken by the 35 parts by 83, that equal to, how to do that means, if you cancel with the 1162 with the 83, this one sometimes mistake will come, that's why take by the division. 83 1 jar 83, 6 minus 3, 3, 11 minus 8, 3, 3, 32. How many times will go? 4 times. 4 3 jar 12, 4 8 jar 32 plus 1, 33. Means 83 1 jar 83, 83 14s. That equal to 35 into 14. 14 5 jar 70, 14 3 jar 42. Nothing but a 490 rupees. Now, second part. Who is the second part? B. B. 1162 into B. B person, how many parts taken? 28. By out of how many? 83. 83 1 jar 83 14s. That equal to 14 into 28. 14 8 jar 112. 14 2 jar 28. 392 rupees. Now third part. Who is the third part? C. C equal to 1162 into C. How many parts taken? 20 parts by 83. 83 1 jar 83 14 jar. That equal to 280 rupees. So total A comma B comma C, what are the shares they mean? 490 rupees, 392 rupees and 280 rupees. Now see this model question. If A is to B equal to 5 is to 7 and B is to C equal to 6 is to 11, then A is to B is to C. Here what is the meaning? That means 2 ratios 5 is to 7 and at the same time B is to C 6 is to 11. Then find 3 ratios common. How to find out? That means given A is to B equal to 5 is to 7. At the same time here common letter is B. B is to C equal to 6 is to 11. This way if you write it, then you observe which letter will be common. Here B letter, here also B letter. Here share part value is 7, here share part value will be 6. That's why this first part if you multiply with the 6, that meaning 5 6 jar 30 is to 7 6 jar 42. So A is to B, you converted into the another numbers. 30 is to 42. In the same manner, this B is to C also if you change. Here value how much? 7. 7 into 6. 42 is to 7 into 11. 77. Now here you observe it. A is to B, 30 is to 42. B is to C, 42 is to 77. Here B part value, here B part value will be common. So A is to B is to C equal to, how to write that means A 30, B 42. Only one time only you write it. C 77. This is the answer for that question. A is to B is to C equal to 30 is to 42 is to 77. This is the answer. In the same manner, one more question. If A is to B is to C equal to 2 is to 3 is to 4, then A by B is to B by C is to C by A is dash. Actually, is to is given there means if you take it to the some constant value. But short way how to will write there means A by B means A means 2, B means 3, C means 4. In this manner only you think it. Then A means 2 by B 3 is 2. B by C 3 by 4 is 2. C by A, C means 4 by A part will be 2. Then this total how to find out there means take LCM of this denominators 3, 4, 2 LCM we find out 2, 3, 2 2s, 2 1s. So LCM equal to 2, 3, 6, 6 2s, 12. This 12 multiplied to the each and every value, that meaning 2 by 3 into 12, 3 by 4 into 12 is to 4 by 2 into 12, that equal to how to change will come is 3 1 jar 3 4 jar 4 2 jar 8 is to 4 1 jar 4 3 jar 3 3 jar 9 is to 2 1 so 2 6 jar 6 4 jar 24. So A by B is to B by C is to C by a value. How much will come there means 8 is to 9 is to 24. This is the one more question. Now this question is linked to the other concept. What is the other concept there means simplify 4 power 3.5 is to 2 power 5. Simplify. It is also ratio but simplify. That means remove the powers. How to remove the powers there means 4 power 3.5 is to means by 2 power 5 if you write it. Then 4 power 3.5 there means indirectly what is it meaning is 7 by 2 by 2 power 5. That equal to 4 powers and exponents after 2 square whole to the power of 7 by 2 by 2 power 5. Then this 2 cancel, that equal to 2 power 7 by 2 power 5. This question is linked with the powers and exponents chapter. That meaning is a power m by a power m, nothing but a power m minus n. 2 power 7 minus 5, that equal to 2 square, nothing but a 4. So 4 here nothing there is 1 by 1, that equal to 4 is to 1 this answer. Now it is the another question. It concept goes with the factorization. This question linked to the factorization chapter, not only ratio. Question is ratio concept, but question given into the factorization. Already you know that how to find out factorization. That means 5 6 are 30. Here 13 there. 10 3 are 30. So this 13xy how to will write? 5x square minus 13xy, 10xy minus 3xy plus 6y square equal to 0. Then in these two common parts will be 5x if you take common, x minus 2y. In these two, what will be the common? First you write x minus 2y as to you write this bracket value. Remaining will be 3y, that equal to 0. Next, you know already how to write the factors. That means x minus 2y is the one factor, 5x minus 3y equal to 0 is the another factor. Product of any two values will be 0. Either this part will be 0 or this part will be 0. So bifurcate into the two parts. X minus 2y equal to 0. Otherwise 5x minus 3y equal to 0. Then x minus 2y equal to 0 means x equal to 2y. X, that way come to this side. X by y equal to 2. Here denominator not by anything means 1. x by y is meaning is x is to y equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. Same now here also. 5x equal to 3y. X this way come to x by y equal to 3 by 5. So x is to y equal to 3 is to 5. So final answer will be x is to y equal to 2 is to 1 maybe or 3 is to 5. Two answers you are getting. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment it. Thank you.